Math Olympiad question. Question is this: which number is larger? Means which one is bigger? Means 50 raised to 50 or 49 raised to 51. Now, first of all, consider this of 50 raised to 50, 50 raised to 50, and denominator consider 49 raised to this 51. This number prove either less than 1 or greater than 1. If this is less than 1, means which this number is bigger. If this is greater than 1, means this number is smaller compared to this. Now, first step here, this 50 raised to 50, write as it is, upon this is 49 raised to 51. You can written as 50 plus 1, 49 raised to 50 plus 1. Now consider this is separate power. This separate power means 50 raised to 50, right as it is, upon this is a 49 raised to 50 into this 49 raised to 1 means 49. This I think clear. Now next here, write down separate 50 raised to 50, right as it is, upon this is 49 raised to 50 into this is 1 upon 49. This part is clear. Now this is a 50 raised to 50 upon 49 raised to 50. You can write it as 50 by 49 raised to power 50 into 1 upon 49. I think this is clear. Now next here, this 50 you can write it as 49 plus 1, 49 plus 1 upon 49. This is a 50. This I think clear. Now this into 1 upon 49. Now this is 49 upon 49 means 1 plus 1 upon 49 raised to power 50 into 1 upon 49. Now here 49 and here power 50. Everybody know this result, limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n raised to power n is goes to e. E value is nearest value is 2.718. Means if you increase the number 1, 2, 3 up to so on, this value goes to e means 2.718 means this is less than 3. If you consider here 49 and here also 49, this also less than 3 or not? Why? Because this is increasing sequence. If you put 1, 2, 3 up to so on, this is increasing sequence. Means here require 49, but here 49, then here require also 49. Means consider again separate this 1 plus 1 upon 49 raised to power 49 into 1 power also remaining means 1 plus 1 upon 49 into 1 upon 49. This I think clear. Now this is equal to, so this part is now less than 3 according to this one. This is less than 3 into, now here take LCM means 50 upon 49 into 1 upon 49. This is I think clear. Now next here, if you look at this part, this 49 1 upon 49 is less than 1 upon 6, yes or no? Why? Because if you increase 49 is greater than 6. If you increase the number, then this is number is bigger now, 1 by 6. Now this is less than, strictly less than 3 into 50 upon 49 into 1 by 6. Use this property here. Now 3 to the 6, therefore this less than, this is a 50 upon 98 and this number is less than 1. This number is less than 1 means this 50 upon raised to 50 upon 49 raised to 51 is less than 1. 50 raised to 50 upon 49 raised to 51 is less than 1 now. This implies 50 raised to 50 is less than 49 raised to 51. Means this number is bigger number compared to this. This is your answer.